so we did this nice little section here, and once again, if we look at what I just did with the net fix here, you can kind of see that all I've done is that little section there. But it's nice, and it cleans up the area that I had. Let's do something very similar, but this time with the eyebrows to kind of get rid of that as well. So same thing I did before with the net fix. I will actually create this above the bald head. Remember, the higher things are up in the layer stack, the more that they're going to cover over. I'm just going to call this brow fix. Awesome. All right, same thing as before. I'm going to use my healing brush. I'm going to make sure that it is current and below. Increase the size of this. Make sure that my the hardness of this is kind of soft. That way it makes it much easier to kind of blend with everything. Make it a little bit larger here. And then once again, I can just kind of go from maybe up here. This texture looks nice. So all I'm doing is just covering that up. Same thing over here. There we go. So before and after. And like I said, if we ever decide that we do want to get the eyebrows back, we just have to turn that layer off. Whereas if we actually did it on the actual image itself, we'd run into problems. All right, in the next section, let's actually start manipulating the face using the liquify tool.